नान किचन। आज हम बना रहे हैं पुदीना का चटनी। पुदीना का चटनी में यूज होने वाले टमाटर, कच्चा आम, पुदीना, धनिया, हरी मिर्ची, थोड़ा सा नमक, थोड़ा सा पानी, दही। Now I will add all the ingredients. Tomato, red mango, पुदीना, green chili, coriander, नमक, थोड़ा सा पानी और थोड़ा सा दाल। Okay, the blending of all ingredients is ready, so you can serve as it is, and or else you can mix it in with the date, and you can have more flavor if you mix with the date. And just mix it well. You will smell very aromatic, and this one you can serve as with the any kind of snacks, pakora, samosa. See, it's very nice. You can just mix it well. You will smell very nice, good smell, very fresh. Try this chutney at home with all kinds of snacks and you will enjoy it. If you like my video, like, share and comment. And thank you for watching. See you in next video.